This is a tip for an iPhone 5. It's taken apart right now because it wasn't working, and I'm going to fix it. I have another one here that I've already fixed to get the phone to charge. And as you can see, your red is positive, your black is negative. The next set here is your data positive and your data negative. So if you need those to work, you'll need to be pretty good at soldering. But the ones on the end are fairly easy to get to. And in your cord, if you bought an aftermarket cord, it might not be the same as colors, wires anyway. On this one, it's an aftermarket, so the blue wire would be green in your factory iPhone cord. So all you have to do is take the wires off of your cord here. Just cut them like this. You cut them down and you put a little solder on them and tin them. And then to make sure when you have it plugged into a PC, like this one here is plugged in, you can get your voltmeter. I have my negative attached, and you just touch your wire and you'll see voltage there on your meter. So that way you know you've got the right ones. So you tin the ends of them, you put a little solder on it, and that makes it easier to connect back to your pin here, so that you end up with that, and it'll get you by. It ain't the best, but it works. So that's it. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, comment, and thanks for viewing.